closest the moon's going to be?
No, it's mine. That's Dad.
Wow. At least another 5 years.
It's ours. Garrett.
Got a little night ride with the Kubota. This will be a good place right over here.
Eating popcorn? Yeah, you're right, Dad. It's the perfect one.
Girl loves her some popcorn.
Let's look at that
Here
one.
we go. Yeah, messing around with the Kubota. The new lights, got some new lights on the Kubota. Here's my birthday present from John. I put those on today, that was fun.
Guys, this looks like a monster with a black mouth to an end and 2 eyes.
Roar! That's right. Wow, that is really something. Full moon through the trees. Really pretty. A little ride through the woods. There's the Kubota over there. Doing its thing. You getting full of popcorn yet? Not yet.
Don't let him give it any to himself.
Okay.
Might as well just give it to you.
Really? Okay.
Do not take the whole bowl.
I might.
I won't give you popcorn because you take all of it.
I might. Well, that's pretty. There it is, March 19th, 2011. Full moon. The moon's as close to the Earth as it'll be for another 5 years. Beautiful, huh?